What's that?
It's what's called a duck, Margaux. Hi guys, and welcome back to the vlog. So I've come up with the idea of, we have a segment called Village Chronicles. So the idea is that every few vlogs we take you to a village with Margaux, and that way you can see all the different villages around us, the smaller ones, the bigger ones. Some of you will already be familiar with some of the villages, but some of you won't. Some of you that live abroad, it might be quite refreshing for you to see what the Peak District's like around here. For those that are familiar, it might be nice for you to see villages that you visited in the past and haven't visited in years. We're going to call this Village Chronicles Episode 1. We have already done one, but this is the first official one. We're going to go and take Margaux to a little village called Ashford in the Water, which is where we tried to take her last time, but she threw up in the car, so we had to go to Cresbrook, which turned out not to be Cresbrook, but whatever. So we're going to take her to Ashford in the Water now, and I hope you enjoy Village Chronicles Episode 1, Ashford in the Water. Enjoy! So Margaux doesn't want to get in the car because she remembers the last time she was sick. Are we going to try and get all the way to Ashford this time? Really quickly, update on the weather. The snow is finally going. I can see green. I'll just quickly show you. Green. Do you know what we should do, Mum? You know how we have our sing-alongs in the car?
Yes.
We should have Chronicles of Hen and Joe sing-alongs.
Oh, that'll thrill everybody.
An Irishman, she fell in love with an Englishman. Tell me lies, tell me sweet little lies. I wanna hold her tight. Get teenage kicks right through the night.
Okay, so we have arrived. Time to get Margaux out the car. Hello! Okay, so we've arrived. Say hi, Mum. Hello! We're just going to the local shop now to get some lettuce and corn. Why, might you ask? Fun fact of the day, you shouldn't actually feed... I'm not being one of those people that's like, don't do this, don't do that. But just through living here, we've found that bread isn't good for ducks, is it, Mum?
Well, it just blows them up.
It blows them up. Sort of stick of dynamite, Mum. What's that, Mum? We've got a situation.
She's gone through the gate.
Oh. How would you manage to do that?
Did she went through that?
Here she is.
Hello. Hello, sweetie.
Okay, we're just going to nip into this little tea room for coffee. Go on then, Mum. Margaux's ordered a piece of card.
She's ordered a piece of cardboard.
Hello. Peekaboo. 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 Do you want me to put your hat on for you?
No.
What are you doing? Come on.
See ya.
So that was a nice little cafe trip, wasn't it, Mum?
Yes.
So now we're going to go and feed the ducks. Runners in Ashford. Just running past. A few little jackdaws and they just nest in these little holes. It's a nice little nest, actually. Oh. Explicit.
What's that?
It's what's called a duck, Margaux. Sweet corn doesn't float. I feel like you're that bird lady from Home Alone. The one that attracts all the pigeons.
Now the sweet corn was for the fish too.
Okay. Smile, Mum. Say hello. Hello. Margaux, do you want to say hello? She is? Here you are? Okay. Oh, I'm a bit close to the camera. So the vlog you just watched was filmed about a week ago now, so since then we've had more snow. Yippee. But like I said, like it says in the title, we're doing a prize giveaway in this video. So the prize giveaway this time is, again, it's another print like last time. It's called Hold My Stick. Hopefully you can see that. So the chocolate lab there is Barnaby as a puppy. And then we've got Dilly and Bumble holding a stick. So this was before Margaux was around, so I think she's a bit offended I'm giving this away because it's nothing to do with her. But the prize giveaway this time is this print. All you've got to do is, as usual, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment done in the comment section below. Comment next to the word done your favourite dog of the 4. So we've got Bumble, Dilly, Barnaby and Margaux. Just be interesting to see what who everybody prefers and likes to see on camera. Obviously Margaux's the cutest, and I will pick at random a winner. But thank you for the vlog. As always, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already by clicking up here, and watch our previous video by clicking up here. Margaux.